morning everyone, and welcome to our first international masterclass. Pull the tong out halfway and wrap the entire section down to the roots. Hold your fingers on the hair till you can feel the heat penetrate. Don't be afraid to pick up a little bit of the padding if you need to. As long as the center part's nice and tight, this will work itself through quite well. Give it a little bit of a loosen up so it's not sitting quite so tight. I'm just looking here and separating it out because I can see I could be creating a bit of fluff in here, so it's really important that very mindful that any hair that's starting to look a little bit fluffy, I comb really well before I do any more pinning. Clip if I have to, so use my tail comb to open and push in any little randoms.